Welcome to Python Series 1. In this video we'll discuss about the dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key is associated with a value, and together they make up one entry in the dictionary. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning their contents can change during the program's execution. We can create a dictionary using curly braces, or the dictionary constructor. Here in this example, we have created a dictionary using both the methods. Here age is a key. 25 is a value. Next is how to access the dictionary elements. We can access the value of a specific key using square brackets or using the get method. First we'll see square brackets. Here we are accessing the value using the key name. Then the second method is using get method. It will also work as same as square bracket. But get method is safer because it doesn't throw an error if the key doesn't exist. If the particular key is not present in the dictionary. Instead of throwing error, it will display the alternate text. Next is modifying a dictionary. We can modify the value of a specific key or add a new key value pair. Here in this example we modified the age of Bob from 30 to 25. And we can add a new key to the dictionary. Here we have added a new key country with a value. Next is removing items from dictionary. We can remove items from a dictionary using methods like del, pop, or pop item. First we'll see how to use del keyword. Here it will remove the key value pair using the key city. And pop also remove the key value pairs. Here we may get doubt. What was the difference between these two? See, del removes a key value pair from the dictionary, but it does not return the value of the removed key. But pop method removes a key value pair from the dictionary and returns the value associated with the key. Then dictionary methods. Keys returns a list of keys. Here we can see in our dictionary we have only two keys. That is name and country. Values returns a list of values. Items returns a list of key value pairs as tuples. Update updates the dictionary with key value pairs from another dictionary. Here new dictionary added to the old one. In general, dictionaries store data as key value pairs. They are mutable, fast for lookups, and keys must be unique. We can use various methods to access, modify, and manage the dictionary's contents.